Are you a woman transitioning through the menopause and struggling with bleeding gums, receding gums, or tooth decay? Because menopause could be having an impact on your oral health. So stick around to hear more about how I could help you. I'm Kirsty Broder. I'm a dentist of over 20 years and I now work as an oral health coach. My focus is to help women to reduce their risk of dental problems and improve their oral health in spite of menopause. One of the ways that I've been raising awareness of oral health problems and helping women to take back control of their oral health in spite of menopause is through my Better Brushing Bootcamp. I've held the bootcamp a couple of times now, and for those of you who don't know, the Better Brushing Bootcamp, it's a live workshop that I've created that I host to help you identify your barriers to optimising your oral health. And I give some tips, tricks and techniques to help you to reduce your risk of tooth decay, gum disease and ultimately improve your oral health overall. And by the way, I have got a few spots left on the next bootcamp, so if you would like to register, it's just £25 at the moment. You can comment bootcamp for the link and I will drop it over to you. As a result of the boot camps which I've hosted already, I've actually noticed a couple of key things from the women who have joined me. So the first thing is that most people, even after having been shown by the dentist or hygienist how to brush their teeth, are actually not using the tools, the toothbrushes, the interdental aids effectively. So they might be going through the process, but they're not getting them in quite the right places to do the job most effectively or most efficiently. And the second thing is that most people aren't using the tools regularly enough either. So the evidence shows that most people are actually brushing or cleaning their teeth less than the recommended twice a day. Now, during menopause, it's actually even more important that we actually step up our game when it comes to toothbrushing and interdental cleaning. And it can be incredibly frustrating if, despite doing these habits regularly, we're not seeing the results that we want. We're still suffering with the tooth decay. We're still suffering from the gum disease, potentially even getting wobbly teeth or maybe even losing teeth. And the problem is that until we identify what we need to change to make those improvements, we just continue to do the same things without any benefit. And this is where I come in as a dentist and virtual oral health coach. I'm here to help you to learn the best techniques and the right tools to clean around your teeth and gums, and it's different for everyone. So my aim is to help you to reduce further problems. I want you to hold on to more teeth and I want you to improve not only your oral health but your general health too, because we know that poor oral health is linked to poor general health. And I've seen the impact that gum disease, tooth loss, wearing dentures can have not only to health, but mental health too. And I hear from women on a regular basis who are suffering. There is some good evidence to show that habits are hard to break. And we know that being shown how to brush your teeth just once or twice by the dentist or hygienist isn't enough to bring about the long-term benefits to your oral health. Most people just go away and forget what they've been shown and just resort to their old habits. And probably most of us have been shown how to clean and brush our teeth by our parents who have never also been shown how to brush or clean correctly either. So these habits and the poor habits for oral health just get passed down from generation to generation. So what I've done is I've actually gone ahead and created a bespoke oral health support and accountability group. So just like going to the gym or just like, needing a personal trainer to help you, I am that sort of life coach or personal trainer for your teeth and gums. And we start on the 1st of October. So this is a pretty quick launch in, okay? And I'm going to be helping you to change your toothbrushing habits for the better. Plus, you're going to get access to pick my brains and tips, tricks and techniques to help you to not only improve, but to optimize your oral health from now and into the future. It's not too late to change the habits of your lifetime and transform your oral health. I've got just 5 spaces available on this accountability coaching support group, which starts on the 1st of October. It is first come, first served. Okay, I'm actually launching this for just £30 for the month, which is, to my mind, a little bit ridiculous. It's like a £1 a day for the whole of October, and you're going to be getting oral health coaching, support and accountability from me, dentist of 20 years and virtual oral health coach. If that's something that you think you would benefit from, comment the word transform below and I will send you a link and I will register and I will save your space on that very special, bespoke, small but perfectly formed coaching group. Bye for now.